Hello everybody, my today's topic is numericals based on Van 't Hoff factor I. Van 't Hoff factor is very much important in our exam. Now first problem is 75.2 gram phenol is dissolved in 1 kg of solvent having Kf value 14 Kelvin kg per mole. If depression of freezing point of the resulting solution is 7K, then calculate the percentage of phenol that dimerizes in solution. So, del Tf is given 7 Kelvin, Kf is given 14 Kelvin kg mole inverse. Now, the picture of the problem is solvent W1 is equal to 1 kg, solute phenol W2 is 75.2 and its molecular weight is 94. So the equation is del Tf is equal to I into Kf into 1000 W2 by W1 M2, or 7 is equal to I into 14 into 1000 into W2 is 75.2 by W1 is 1 kg means 1000 gram into M is 94. By calculating, we get the values of I is 0.625. So, Van 't Hoff factor is 0.625. Now, from the question, it is seen that phenol undergoes dimerization. That means association of phenol takes place. In this case, degree of association X is equal to I minus 1 by 1 minus n minus 1. Now, what are the values of n? N is given as dimerization, it takes place. So, two molecules of phenol undergoes to form dimer, so values of n is 2. Putting the values of I and n, we get X is equal to 0.625 minus 1 by half minus 1 is equal to 0.75. X means 0.75, that means by multiplying 100 we get 75. 75% phenol undergoes dimerization. This is the answer of the question. My second question is, calculate the boiling point of 1 molar aqueous solution of KCl having density 1.04 gram per centimeter cube given Kb, and consider KCl dissociates completely in aqueous solution. Now the solution is, now weight of solution is 1.04 gram per centimeter cube is density. So now the solution is 1 molar solution, so the weight of solution is 1000 into 1.04 gram. That means 1040 gram is the weight of the solution. Now 1 molar KCl solution means 1 mole KCl is added in this solution. Now molecular weight of KCl is 74.5 gram. So weight of water is 1040 minus 74.5 gram. That means 965.5 gram. So in 965.5 gram water, 74.5 gram KCl, 1 mole KCl is dissolved. For this reason, strength of solution is 1 molar, and in this situation W1 is 96.5, W2 is 74.5, as well as M2 molecular also be 74.5. Now KCl undergoes complete dissociation, so I is 2. We know del TB is equal to I into Kb into 1000 W2 by W1 M2. Putting the values of all terms, we get the values of del TB is 1.0772. So boiling point of solution is T dash B is equal to TB plus del TB. Boiling point of water is 100 degrees centigrade plus 1.0772. So the value is 101.0772 degrees centigrade. My third problem is 0.004 molar Na2SO4 solution is isotonic with 0.01 molar glucose solution. Determine the degree of ionization of the solution. Now pi of glucose is R into C 0.01 into T. Solution constant of glucose is 0.01 molar. And pi of Na2SO4 is Van't factor I into R into 0.004 into T. Since the solution is isotonic, so we know in isotonic solution osmotic pressure of the two solutions are equal. So pi of glucose is equal to pi of Na2SO4. So putting the values of equation 1 and 2 of pi glucose and pi Na2SO4, we get the values of I. Van't factor is 2.5. Now since Na2SO4 is an electrolyte and it undergoes dissociation in aqueous medium to form 2Na plus and SO4 2 minus anion, here number of ions is 3, so values of N is 3. We know alpha is equal to I minus 1 by N minus 1 is equal to I is 2.5 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 is equal to 0.75. So Na2SO4 undergoes 75% ionization in the solution. That's the answer. My next problem is some amount of NaCl dissolved in 65 gram water lowers the freezing point is 7.5 degrees centigrade. Now the picture is weight of water is W1 is 65 and weight of solute, that means NaCl, W2 is unknown, which to be calculated. Having M2 is given 58.5 and freezing point of water is given by del TF is equal to 7.5 and given Kf of water, Kf is 1.86 Kelvin kg per mole and NaCl undergoes 90% dissociation, so we can calculate the values of I in this topic. Now what is the values of I of this solution? Now NaCl is an electrolyte which can produce Na plus and Cl minus in the solution, so number of ions N is equal to 2 and it given that 90% dissociation, so alpha is 0.9. Now put the values of N and alpha in this equation, we get the values of I, which is 1.9. Now the equation is del TF is equal to I into Kf into 1000 W2 by W1 M2. Putting the values of all the term I, Kf, W2, W1 and M2 appropriately, we get the values of W2 is 8.199 gram. So the weight of NaCl is 8.199 gram. Now my next problem is calculate the expected freezing point of 0.711 molar NaOH solution. Expected. That means del TF is equal to Kf into small m is equal to values of Kf is 1.86 into m is 0.0711. Now values of Kf is 1.86 Kelvin kg mole inverse, which is given in the question paper. Now the values of del TF is 0.1322. Now we know del TF is TF minus T dash F. So T dash F is TF minus del TF. Now TF freezing point of water is 0 minus 0.1322. That means freezing point of the solution expected minus 1322 degree centigrade. Now in the second part of the numericals is the actual freezing point of the solution is minus 0.32 degree centigrade. That means T dash F is minus 0.32 degree centigrade. So del TF is TF minus T dash F, that is 0 minus 0.32, that means 0.32 degree centigrade. Now we know del TF is I into Kf into m. Putting the values of del TF, Kf and m, we get the values of I is equal to 2.42, which is the Van't Hoff factor of that solution. My next question is boiling point of aqueous solution of 0.1 molal, that means concentration 1 molal trichloroacetic acid is 100.18 degree centigrade. That means T dash B is 100.18 degree centigrade. So del TB is 100.18 minus 100 is equal to 0.18 degree centigrade. Calculate Van't Hoff factor of the trichloroacid. Now we know del TB is I into Kb into m. Putting the values of del TB, Kb and m, we get the values of I, and that is I is 0.35. It is the Van't Hoff factor of trichloroacetic acid. In this video, my last question is 2.5 into 10 to the minus 2 gram K2SO4 dissolved in 2 liter of water. Now, calculate the osmotic pressure of the solution. Given K2SO4 undergoes 100% utilization. Temperature is mentioned at 25 degrees centigrade. 2 liter solution contain 2.5 into 10 to the minus 2 gram water. From this data, we can calculate the 1 liter solution contain 2.5 into 10 to the minus 2 by 174 by 2 mole K2SO4. That's the molar concentration. That's the C. Now, since K2SO4 100% utilization, so I is 3. So, putting the values of pi is equal to I into RCT. I is 3, R is 0.082, C is 2.5 into 10 to the minus 2 by 174 into 2, and T is 298. Then we get the values of pi is 5.26 into 10 to the minus 3 atmosphere. That's the osmotic pressure of the solution. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe and comments on my channel. Thank you.